Concrete pavers give astonishing looks to your backyards to walkways, setting them more aesthetically appealing to your property. Pavers can be used for many parts of the house, especially outdoors. Pavers' backyard patios are so versatile. It has a wide variety of choices, and materials can often be devastating when you picking the right materials for your project. This article will provide you enough ideas and tips on what you should take note of when thinking about remodeling your backyard or driveway. Installing concrete pavers for your renovation project. Pavers are overwhelming because of their flexibility. As we mentioned earlier, pavers can be used in many parts of the house, determining where you want to start your renovation. Whether you're thinking of putting in on your backyard pool or upgrading your driveway into a more eye-catching and long-lasting paver, choosing the right set of rocks for your particular project will give the best result and most effective way for your renovation. Here is a list of the common paving projects and what will be the best choices for them to use. 1. Driveways. Solid concrete and asphalt driveways becoming old and phased out as pavers dominate the remodeling industry because of their versatility and durability. Brick, concrete, and cobblestone are the best option to use for your driveway project that can last at least decades. Concretes are the most popular option for driveways because of their durability that can last up to 25 to 50 years. 2. Patios. Most patios are designed for hanging outs of the whole family. The foot is the only thing that will step on a patio, so they don't need to be thick as driveways use. For patios, budget is the main concern here, as most of your choices are suitable for this project. Pavers provide an attractive design for your patio. They come in varieties of colors and shapes. 3. Swimming pools. When it comes to putting pavers around your outdoor pools, nothing can compare with the quality of concrete pavers. Aside from giving natural-looking surroundings to your pool, they can also withstand the exposure of both chlorine and salt water pools and other chemicals if they seal them properly. Different concrete paver materials you can choose. Concrete. Unlike brick, concrete is a much cheaper material you choose. It offers the same durability as bricks in a variety of colors and all sorts of shapes and sizes. Concrete pavers are the option for people with a tight budget. Stone. It is the most expensive and luxurious paving material you can purchase. Stone is the best option for projects that requires enduring an extreme amount of weather and foot traffic. This material also offers a huge range of colors, shapes, and sizes that will fit perfectly in your projects such as patios or gardens. Flagstone gives a natural appearance as authentic stones, plus its unique patterns that will blend easily into your remodeling project. Once flagstone is correctly installed, the need for maintenance is minor. Bricks is the most popular paving material. It is environmentally friendly and easy to install. Durable and also offers a wide variety of colors. It is also flexible in all parts of the house, patio, driveways, and walkways. When it comes to renovation and using concrete pavers as your materials, the only problem you'll encounter aside from budget is the choice of paver you're going to use. The first thing you need to do when thinking about renovation is to find a supplier for your materials that will help you throughout the process, plans, and down to your budget. The great thing about these pavers is you have a massive option to choose for your remodeling, from colors, shapes, and sizes that will perfectly fit your budget with a long-lasting lifespan.